In this video, I'm going to show you how you can track the phases of your jobs in Excel with barcodes. So here we have a sheet and we have two jobs working right now, but we can enter another one. So let's just look at this last one here. The first phase is completed. So let's put in another employee. My employees are on this page, and you could have as many as employees as you like. So let's choose Donald Duck for the next one. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to um, copy the job number, but you could scan in a tag or whatever, and it's going there. And now I'm going to copy in Donald Duck's ID number, and that's going to go there, and that's going to get it going. And there you go. There we have Fred Flintstone started this yesterday, and Donald Duck has started this on the first, and Donald Duck has gone to phase two, has finished phase two on the third, and possibly this phase could be short, and then you could have Mickey Mouse finishing it in the end. So every phase can be tracked. So now let's put in a new one. Let's put in a job number of 414141, and then let's put in Mickey Mouse. And so there you see Mickey Mouse has started here. Now you see that it hasn't gone to the end of this other one. It knows it's exactly looking for the right job to complete. So let me show you how I did this. So this is my code. Now the first thing I'm going to do is show you what the code is on the sheet. So on my sign out sheet, we have a worksheet function, and if something is in B2, then it calls a little program called move over, and then if there's something in D2, then it calls the program called track. So let's go to my module. Let's go down to the very bottom. And my move over is simply, it tells it to select the range D2 if it's in B2. So let's go through my track. So what it's doing is it's saying whatever is in sheet 1 range B2 value, that's a job number, and the serial number for the name is whatever is in sheet 1 range D2. Now, the first thing we're looking for is we're looking for the employee. We're going to we're going to sheet 2, we're going down the D column, and we're finding the serial number for the name. When it finds the serial number for the name, whatever row number it is, then it's finding the actual name is the next row or is the next cell over. Okay, so now what we're going to do is we're going to look for the job number. So it's looking on the first sheet in the A column, and it's looking for the job number. If the range is nothing, if it doesn't find anything, then it starts and it looks for the first empty cell, and then it puts the job number, and then it puts in the date and time, and that's the format. And then the next cell over is the name of the person that has done that. Okay, else, if the job number is already there, then what it does is it declares the first row as the range row, and R equals first row. Okay, if ActiveSheet.Cells R4 value is blank, and active cell value equals job number, then what you're going to do is you're going to select that cell and you're going to put in the date and time. And then you'll go to the end of the the other. If active cell row 6 value is nothing and active cell value equals not job number, we're always making sure that we're on the right job when we're checking this, so we're not putting in a different phase and a different job number. Then what we're doing is we're putting the date and time in there and putting in the name who's completed that. And the last one is if ActiveSheet.Cells row 7 is blank, then it's going from, it's doing a for loop from the first row to the last row. If ActiveSheet.Cells value is job number and ActiveSeLs sheet 4 and ActiveSheet is nothing and ActiveSheet range 6 is nothing, then if ActiveSheet sheet 4 value is nothing and ActiveSheet value equals job number, then go to request. And if ActiveSheet number R7 is blank and ActiveSheet number equals job number, then go to delivered. We then just if there's nothing blank in there, then it goes to restart where it starts a new one there. Here we're just clearing the contents of B2 and D2, and then we're activating B2. I will, of course, include all of this code in the description of my video. Please subscribe.